What's up everybody, Andrew with Branson Cerakote. So today we're going to be doing the Partizan Camo. This is the Autumn M edition, and so I've got all my colors here that we're going to start out with. I've got my, the Troy Coyote Tan, Desert Sand, Multicam Dark Green, Chocolate Brown, and then FDE. I think it's the Magpul FDE. And these are going to be the orders that I'm going to spray them in. I'm going to start out with my Troy. I'm going to A-tax a little bit of this Desert Sand in it, and then I'm also going to put just like two stripes on each, or one stripe on each side of this green, and then I'm going to get everything tacked out real good before I stencil it. After I stencil, I'm going to go over it with this chocolate brown, and then I'm just going to kind of break it up with the FDE. It should be a pretty simple project. We're going to start out with our bigger stencils, as you can see here, first, and then our smaller ones are going to be our chocolate brown at the end, and then this is just going to kind of go over it to kind of give that chocolate brown definition. But we'll get started here, and I'll meet everybody back at the booth.